Vámonos. She touched my butt. ¿Qué onda, perrillos? Come with us to the Day of the Dead celebration at the Riverwalk in San Antonio, Texas. Vámonos! Was that? Was it good? We're gonna run to the Riverwalk parade. We're gonna watch that, and then we're gonna come and see all of the little stores, see the live music. Let's go because we're running super late. Literally almost did not make it. That was so chaotic.
I was furious.
He wasn't. He didn't care. I care.
Enojado.
I was in Austin traffic for 3 hours. So, he's okay.
Yo tenía juego de béisbol.
And then my friend Daisy that was supposed to come with me last minute, an audition came up so she couldn't come anymore. We made it. We saw all of the floats, thankfully. Now we're gonna go see what this party's about.
Mueve la cabeza, danza culo.
My brother chose his alebrije. Aren't they so cute? There's 2 more over there. Of course, they're in the first row. He liked it, so we're getting it for him. We're just here watching everything. There's some calaveras over there we're gonna see. My brother got his first alebrije, and we're just here to have a great time. You're the worst videographer in the world.
Mucha gente.
I just met the artist of that little shop. His name is Gerardo. I'm going to put his stuff down below. It is handmade. So there's the Tree of Life. There's the Sagrado Corazón de Jesucristo. It is so gorgeous. Here is his card. And I will also leave his social media down below. Y'all need to go check it out. It is gorgeous. Look, la comadre. Hey, comadre, ¿cómo estás? How are you feeling today? A little dead, right? Okay. I'll leave you alone. Sorry. Okay. She's not feeling too well today. You've been good to us. I had so much fun. Everything was so beautiful. But for now, I'm going to go have a shot of tequila. Let go.
Noises.
Oh, I have to add that?
Never mind, gig 'em. Never mind, horns up.
Never mind.
Oh, Bobcats Nation.
Rawr. Oh, Bobcats all the way. Keep them maroon and gold on high. Something. Battle cry. Say goodnight to the people.
Good night, y'all. Muchas buenas noches, bilingual.
Muchas buenas noches.
Sí, que descansen.
Que descanse, que Dios los bendiga hoy y siempre.
Amén.
Que tengan bonito Día de los Muertos.
Bien padre.
Que nadie se muera este año.
Bueno, si no, no hay Día de los Muertos, pero Dios los bendiga a todos.
Dios
Dios los bendiga a todos.
Que Dios los bendiga a todos. Van a atropellarme.
Baby on board.
Baby on board. ¿Así dejas?
Sí.
Love you, bro.
Bye bye.
Vámonos a la casa, mi gente.